Guys, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Boy, this snow just came out of nowhere, out of absolutely nowhere. And now it's crazy outside. So you don't know I'm gonna film this. I'm gonna film this as we're leaving because it's nuts. Let's turn this down a bit, it's too loud. There's snow all up in the car. What a mess. When I show you guys what's going on outside, you'll see what I'm talking about, y'all. Holy Kamosi. It just came out of nowhere, guys. So I'm gonna set this up for you so you can see it for yourself. Let's put this up here. And then I'm gonna turn the camera the other way so you can see for yourself. But let me get out a bit first. Whew. Crazy. Welcome to Toronto. Welcome to Toronto, baby. Nuts. Absolutely nuts, guys. Trust me on this one. All right, let's show you what it looks like from the other side. How can I flip this around? Let me see if I can stop for a second. How do I flip the camera? Now let's start recording from here. This is absolutely insane. This just started coming down right now. So I gotta put some heat on the windshield or else it's gonna start fogging up on me. Excuse the noise, guys. I'll try to keep it as low as I can. Just drive nice and easy. Try to put this in four-wheel drive. Let's see. Snow. Okay, we're good there. Sorry, the windshield might get a little bit blurry because of the ice. It's icing up. So do our best to try to keep it clean so you guys can at least see what's happening out here. This shit is so random. Yo. This just started coming down, believe it or not. This just started coming down right now. Trust the God, I don't trust the devil. That's what I'm not, so miserable. Oh yeah, let's go. I'm trying to beat this snowfall. It's all ice on the floor, man, all ice. See if we can get that going a bit. It's even hard to see out the window because the ice is just icing up the windshield. But I'm going to take this footage and use it. That's what I'm going to do. And the thing is, you guys are going to hear me on it when I run the next stream. Show you that it's no joke out here. Might even do an extra drive around just to try to get an hour drive and stream that as well. It's crazy. Insane. Crazy. I don't know if the camera is capturing it as much as it should, but you can see the wind gusts, the wind blowing, the snow blowing all over the place. It's pretty trippy. You can't make any sudden turns, anything. The ice is all over the roads. So we're just gonna go on easy. You guys see how the roads look right now, right? Yeah, man. Oh, man. My wife decided to go out today. I'm leaving work now, but my wife decided to go out today to do some stuff. I'm like, ouch. You know what I mean? Ouch. With all this snow. But this just came out of nowhere. That's what's trippy. They said the temperature was going to drop, and it did, because this morning was only +8. Now the car is showing -3. Right? And then the snow came out of nowhere, so it's snow squall, I guess is what they call it. And we call it a whiteout. But it looks like it's headed to that whiteout state, because if you look